Do you know many people are having trouble with the replace filter light not turning off on their Frigidaire refrigerator? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Turn off ice maker. Turn off the ice maker power switch to prevent it from making ice during the process. Step 2. Remove old filter. Remove the old filter by rotating it counterclockwise 90 degrees and slide it out of the housing. Step 3. Unpackage new filter. Unpackage the new filter cartridge and slide it into the housing as far as it will go with the grip end horizontal. Step 4. Install new filter. Push inward on the filter while rotating it clockwise 90 degrees until the grip end is vertical. Step 5. Check for leaks. Press a glass against the water dispenser to check for leaks, dispensing water for 3-4 minutes, then turn on the ice maker. Step 6. Reset filter light. Hold the water filter reset button on the control panel for 3 seconds to reset the status from red to green. After following these steps, your filter light should reset and function correctly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Frigidaire users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.